I believe you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you seen something like that before?
Yeah.
Okay, what is that?
Mm, it's a server.
Okay. Do you know what is the difference between that look here and that one?
I thought a tower server had had rack servers inside it.
Had what? Sorry again?
I thought the tower server had rack servers inside it. So I thought it
No,
was the tower. Oh,
no. The rack server is it looks like that. So this is
yeah.
server room and this is racks. But the tower
Yeah,
one
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah, yeah.
it just so it's normally fitted inside a place where there is not much components, or it's just a small company or a small
Mm,
facility. Okay, but
mm, mm.
most of the time, if the company need more than one server, then they will use a rack mounted servers. Do
Yeah.
you know why is it important to have a rack mounted server?
No.
Okay, do you recognize or see even this kind of, no, let me put this red color. So do you see what I'm trying to show you here? This handles in red
Yeah.
color
The
here.
switches. Yeah.
So this is actually a hot swappable hard disk. So we are able
Yeah.
to hotly swap this hard disk while even the server is running. You are not able to do that in the tower server. It's just fixed inside and you are not able to remove it. And
Yeah.
definitely the type of hard disk that works here is not the same one that works here. So the type of hard disk that allow you to actually swap it out is a different type. Okay.
Yeah.
And also the arrangement of hard disks inside the server to protect the data is actually it can be both work here and here, but the point that if you have five hard disks and the information is distributed among these five hard disks, so that it
Mm,
give you high throughput and it's not slow. So actually, if one
yeah.
hard disk fails, the server is equipped to handle that failure, and the other four hard disks will actually how to say, will give you the same data without any, it will not make you feel that there is a data loss. Okay, because actually they will generate the data that was lost on the fifth hard disk. Okay, did you hear about that before?
No.
Did you hear about RAID before?
No. Also no.
Okay, so this is a technology that is available on servers like that, especially on rack mounted servers. And this allows that the data is distributed among different hard disks. And if one of them fails, the data is not lost and the operation will still continue. So that is for actually time critical operations that cannot afford to stop. Okay. Um, I just want to tell you, did you see mainframes before? How the mainframe looks like?
Uh,
So this is slightly
like
different. This is slightly different
yeah.
from the rack-mounted servers. This is one whole computer, not different rack-mounted servers. So can you guess what this should be? Uh, what should it do? What is the functionality of this kind of super computer?
Uh, just to store a lot of data.
Not only data, but I would say banking information, air ticketing services. This is the kind of mainframes that you use to do this kind of complex operations. Um, the other servers that we have seen, it can be a storage server, it can be just a simple e-commerce web server, but this is more complex and more expensive. So only banking and air ticketing services can afford actually to use this kind of mainframes and need this kind of operations. Okay. Now let us go back to our main okay. Now can we write these two possibility of loops, one using a while loop, another using for loops, using the same numbers array that you already created?
Wait. Okay.
So under the definition that you created for the numbers array, I would like you to write that code here first, and then you run it. After you run it and
Wait,
it's
you want me to
successfully,
write the while first and then
Ye-
only the for?
yes.
Okay. Mm.
Any problem so far?
Yeah, because I don't have the earlier, like when I run it, I can't, it says cannot find the symbol numbers.
Okay, wait,
I,
then let me wait. This
I
is
don't
the
have
code.
that.
Okay, I would like you to share, please. Yeah, you can share your screen.
Yeah. Why is it not? Okay, there you go. Okay. 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 Can you see my screen?
No, not yet, unfortunately. But okay, so I understand your confusion, but as we said, if you are referring to numbers here, it means that you have to uncomment that because we are using the numbers array.
Right. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Nothing? No errors?
No errors. Okay, let me open up.
So
the
can you print,
images.
please, sum? Can you go to
Okay.
sum and print it here?
Okay. Okay. It's- Okay. You want me to print some? Okay.
Okay, good. Run.
Okay.
So it means that something is working.
Yeah.
Okay, can I understand one thing from you, please? Can
Yeah.
you, I already passed for you the code for the for loop. Can you please write it
Okay.
down without commenting this code? So just leave this code
Okay.
as it is. Look at your WhatsApp, then you will see the for loop.
Yeah. Yeah. So, okay. Do I still need this? No. And this would be 4. 5. Okay.
Is it that easy?
Mhm. That is what I have, right? I
Okay.
think I copied correctly. Okay. Oh, how come it's sticking? Okay. Whoa. 154. Oh, right. Okay, so you want me to do it? You want me to do it without commenting this line, right?
Yes, it's better. Yes.
Okay, it means I don't need this.
Mm-hmm.
And then 155. Yeah, I is already defined. Oh, okay. That will work. Let's see.
Very smart. Very smart. I like the way that you start to. So both of them is giving the same, right? Same result.
Yeah. Yeah.
And with less number of lines. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then let me share, please, so that we can
Okay.
continue. I think you also have seen us before do this kind of operation when we are initializing the array of integers. So instead of just writing u and then int and then we give a size like that, we can just put numbers, whatever we want to put inside the array,
Yeah.
and it will do this kind of thing for us automatically.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good. And then we move to the next. Can you please tell me if you understand anything here?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. If A is more than AI plus 1, or plus 1 equals to. Why is so confusing? Okay.
Okay. This is common tricky parts in every programming language. You understand it here in Java. When we move to any other language, then it will be settled and clear. Every language have the same tricky parts.
Mm.
I would recommend, please, that you write those lines.
Okay.
Okay. And any difficulty so far?
No, almost done copying. Plus 1. Close the bracket. I plus 1 is A. I plus 1 times 2. Okay, it works.
It works fine,
Yeah.
totally without errors.
No error.
Okay. Am I able?
Oh,
Tell me.
I need to put no, because I just commented the okay, there you go.
Okay.
Now it works. Yeah, okay.
May you please put here
Yeah.
one print statement that use print f that we took last time, and you
Okay.
use this s that refer to the string. So I want you to print both ai and ai plus 1. So for every line inside the loop, I want you to see what is ai and what is ai plus 1. May you please do that?
Okay. So you want me to print but what do you want me to write?
Write here ai like
Yeah.
that, and then you put s and then
Yeah,
dash
correct.
ai plus 1,
Correct.
and then
Okay,
its
okay.
value, so that we see
Okay.
What is
Can.
inside both?
Okay, so 1, then okay. Now just put and I just put A1 equals 2 and AI plus 1 equals 2, and this will comma should be A1 and AI plus 1.
Did you manage to run it?
Yeah, it's just it's in the loop, so it prints it over and over again.
Okay, fine. But what is the first line that it prints?
1 second. I'm just gonna make it easier to read. Dot. Okay, then it'll be easier to read. Yeah, okay. So I get for like the first line, I get 1 and 7.
Okay.
Then
So,
the second line, I get 7 and 5.
okay.
Then 10 and 6.
10 and 6 or 12?
I get 10 and 6. I
Uh-huh,
get
okay.
1, 7, 7, 5, 10, 6.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. This is the original array.
Then I get 12, 4. Then I get 8, 14.
Uh-huh.
Then I
Okay.
get 14, 11.
Okay, perfect. Okay, understood. Clear. So
Okay.
may I know from did you notice one thing? Where we are at the I position, which is 0,
Yeah.
we not only accessing the element at index 0, we're also accessing the element at I plus 1, which means that 0 plus 1 here. So you are accessing both 1 and 7. Am I right? For each time you are accessing 2 elements. Do you understand what is it? 1, 2, 3. This is the original. This is the result. This is the output. Yeah. Do you understand what this line of code doing first? If statement.
Yeah.
What it does?
If it's a bit confusing. If the AI is more than the AI plus 1.
Okay, first.
So won't it always be more? Because it's always
Who
plus
said
1.
no? Wait.
Okay.
Plus 1. The I value when we first run the loop, the I equal what? 0. Am I right? 0, right?
Yeah.
So if we put here 0, what is the data at 0 position? 1. So it will remove that and put 1. Now, what is when the I equals 0? So I plus 1 means that it is here become 1. So at position 1, the element is 7. So we put here, we remove this, we put 7. So is it 1 bigger than 7?
No.
No. So it means that this if statement will not be executed. Am I right? So it means that we will move to the next iteration of the loop, which is, so we see here I equals 0, and then we talk about I equal 1. When I equal 1, so now I have a look again. We have to compensate for the values here. When I
Yeah.
equal 1, what is the element? I equal 1. This is the i's.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is the element?
7.
7. So we remove that, we put 7. Okay.
Yeah.
When I equal 1 and I plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal
2.
2. What is the element at
Which is
position 2?
5. Okay, I see. Which is 5. Yeah.
7 bigger than 5, am I right?
Yeah.
It means that this line will be executed. Okay, if
Right.
we execute here, it means that he will get the value. So the value at ai plus 1, which is a2, is actually equal 5. He multiplies the 5 by 2, and he store it in a2 also. So he put 10 at a2. So initially, the initial array here was 5, but the output array, he put here 10. So what is he doing? When he ever see that the previous element is smaller, he multiply this one by 2, so to make it bigger.
Yeah. Yeah.
So as you see, so 10, when he compared 10 to 12, so which one is bigger?
12 is bigger.
12 is bigger. Okay.
Yeah.
But again, when he doesn't compare 10 to 12, he compared 10 to 6 on the next iteration. Do you know why, or I say it slowly again? I think I say it slowly.
Yeah.
It's confusing,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just now we talk about I equal 1. Let's talk about, this is where we have the result, which is at position 2, we put 10. Okay, now when we have I equal 2, because we are in the loop, I2 now become 10. Am I right? Because we just incremented, right? So
Yeah.
now I equal 2. So this means that it's going to have 10 here. Now, when we have I equal 2 and we say 2 plus 1, it means that this is A3. Does this make sense? So at A3, this is the element, which is 6.
Yeah.
If you are confused, look at the print statement. What is the print statement is showing to you?
Okay, yeah.
10 and 6 or no?
Yeah. No, it just first 1775, then it says 10, 6, 12,
Okay.
4, 8, 14.
Yes, but oh, okay. It's not. Is it printing all at the same line? Is
Yeah, it's
everything
all in the same print statement. Yeah, because my print statement is inside the loop.
okay? So can you please, after your print statement, put an empty print statement that say print line, so
Okay.
so that it comes in different lines. It's more clear.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, we have to close and open again.
Okay.